This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's guys take a look again at the gold market. Well, there is this sophisticated situation on the gold market right now, and the problem in fact stands with the situation when the price and the gold market itself has no time to react on some technical moments because they are overruled by the geopolitical tensions, fundamental data, and as soon as market starts some retracement due to some technical issues, some resistance or some situation, this retracement usually in the recent time interrupted by some new geopolitical events, some new speech, some news in the mass media concerning Ukraine turmoil, some other piking between the east and west and so on, and that this leads to some difficult situation on the intraday charts, on the monthly time frame chart, on the daily time frame chart, on the intraday charts, so that we even do not have any object for discussion, and it's very difficult to find some reasons to talk about on the gold market right now. All that I see here is really thrust up with the minor retracements that even hasn't reached even 3.8 fib levels. So you can see this just single move to the upside. That's why more or less meaningful and solid analysis we could prepare only on the monthly and weekly time frame charts. There we have definitely targets. We personally I have wrote some discussion on situation in the Ukraine, and we have discussed the situation on the monthly time frame chart in our weekly research. So there are some interesting material, but only in the parts that are dedicated to the monthly and weekly charts. On the lower time frame charts, it's really no patterns, no setups, just upward action. Yes, trend is bullish. All that I could say right now about the daily time frame chart is that market stands at the level of overbought, and but market has passed through all significant fib resistance already, and it has no barriers till the next target, and the next target stands at the 1430 area. You could understand why from the weekly analysis. If we will get lucky, we could get some retracement down. Maybe market will form something as a reaction on overbought condition or some other reason. In this case, there are two levels that we could watch for. It's the 1330, the first fib support, and the confidence support around 13 even. So right here, that is two levels to watch for the possible entry on the long side of the market. This thrust in general not bad, and in fact it's suitable for maybe some Jordan Napoli pattern or something. But speaking about the current situation in Ukraine, guys, I suspect that hardly something will get the relief there, and really I have real doubts that something will chill out and the situation will come a bit again. Currently I do not see any even hints on this, because as you know, as a result of the voting in the Crimea, currently there is some manifestations and demonstrations, some turmoil in the southeast Ukraine, where the people also demands separation from the Ukraine. The situation very tough there. There are already the military forces of the Ukraine has been moved to the borders of this part of this of the Ukraine, and currently, guys, I do not see really the signs that situation will become calmer. I think it will be only worse there. at least the tensions and turmoil hardly will fade out in the nearest future. That's why currently I do not believe that gold market has some real foundation, some real reasons for significant reversal to the downside. Even more, I could say that currently the optimistic scenario, I mean from the bullish perspective on the monthly time frame chart that we have discussed even in previous year, we said that there are two different scenarios of the possible retracement. The first retracement is to the previous highs around 1430 or even to the yearly pivot point around 1360, but optimistic scenario that in general stands with the technical analysis of the monthly time frame chart, with the habits of the gold market, should lead market to the 1540 area. And currently I think that this scenario is very realistic, so it really could happen. That's why I think that we should turn to the searching for the possibility to enter on the long side of the market. Besides, recent action on the gold market just has shown how market strong is, because price has passed through all resistances that have existed here. Market has passed through the yearly pivot point as it's now exists. So it's just, I do not see any other reasons for trading except maybe except the trading on the long side of the market. And unfortunately, currently we have some lack of the patterns, some lack of the retracement tips that we could enter, where we could enter. On the hourly time frame chart, the one thing that I could say in a very short-term perspective is that market probably will show another move up before any retracement will happen, because we have this bullish stop grabber, that's potential target. But guys, also I can't exclude that when as market will open on Monday and as Crimea referendum will come to an end, and we will stand at the eve of the announcing of the sanctions from the Euro Union, we could get a significant spike up on the Monday on the gold market. That's the reality that we could meet in the very nearest future. That's why, as I said, it's almost useless work to prepare any technical analysis on the daily time frame chart and the lower time frame charts. The one thing that we could do from the technical point of view is the larger time frame, when we could take a look at the situation in the longer perspective, such as the monthly and weekly time frame charts. But right now, as you can see, all that I could say right now about the gold market, the daily time frame chart and the hourly time frame chart, I have said already. So let's see what will happen, and we will try to use any possibility that market will give us in the nearest future.